Hey, it's Blake here, and if you want to know one of the easiest ways to get started selling stuff online, this video is for you. Step number 1, use Mercari. Don't do dropshipping, it's bullshit. Why is it bullshit? Because you don't have control of the product. Use Mercari over eBay, over Amazon, because 1, there's no upfront listing fee, and 2, you don't have to sign up with an unsecured line of credit. With Mercari, all you do, download the app, take a picture, boom, it's listed. You hook up your bank account, you get paid in like 3 days. It's a great way to start. Tip number 2, you're gonna wanna sell things you have free access to. So either your possessions, someone in your house's possessions who doesn't mind you taking their stuff, or things from nature. You can sell your grandpa's war medals, you can sell fungus you pulled off a tree, you can sell tumbleweeds, you can sell water from Lake Superior, you can sell your old high school textbooks, you can sell all that stuff. I know this might seem like an obvious way to get started, but for a lot of people watching this video, they're not looking to their garbage and going, hey, you know what, someone might want that. Newsflash, just because you don't think it's valuable does not mean no one else does. Some of the craziest things I've sold I got for free. Number 3 is don't pay money on boxes. You're gonna wanna get boxes from behind Walmart's, from behind Target's. Any big box store is gonna have their recycling container filled with them. Yeah, you gotta buy tape, boo-hoo. Buy tape. 3 easy tips. 1, use Mercari because of the fee structure. 2, sell things that are already at your disposal. And 3, don't spend money on supplies unless you absolutely need to. Hope that was a kick in the ass you needed. And if you want more tips about how to start and maintain your online resale business, please, I encourage you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm going live for a free mentorship hour every Wednesday at noon Eastern time. I'll see you guys there.